Hi guys! So do you ever wonder what to do with your Thanksgiving leftovers? Well, I am here to help. Tia Mowry's quick fix to the rescue. I'm gonna show you 3 ways on how you can turn your basic cranberry sauce into something different and delicious. I don't know about you, but I am telling you, I always have loads of cranberry sauce left. I think there's only really one person in the family that requests cranberry sauce. Maybe 2. My sister, Tamara Mowry, and my brother, Taj Mowry. But that's it. So I'm always left with just so much cranberry sauce. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna take juice of half of a lime and squeeze it into my cocktail shaker. Just like that. Now I'm gonna add my leftover cranberry sauce. There we go, get in there. We are not gonna be wasteful at all. There we go. I'm gonna add some ice. Then I'm gonna add some vodka. I don't know why I said it like that. Vodka. 1, 2, maybe a little more. Go. Oh, this smells so good. Now I'm gonna add some Prosecco. Just gonna fill it up all the way to the top. Look at that. It's nice and bubbly. And then I'm just gonna add some cranberries. Look at that. You are beautiful. Next up, my cranberry barbecue sauce. Yes, you heard that right, my cranberry barbecue sauce. So you know how you have like leftover turkey? You could totally add this onto your turkey. All right, so my saucepan, it's nice and hot, and I'm gonna add cranberries. Cranberry sauce. There we go. I'm gonna add some ketchup. I don't know about you, but I love leftover turkey. And this sauce will go great with turkey. I'm gonna add some apple cider vinegar, and then I'm gonna add my favorite, which I can never say, Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce. Yeah, Worcestershire sauce. Add about 2 teaspoons. There we go. Now onto my dry ingredients. I'm gonna add some brown sugar. You guys know how much I love my brown sugar. This is another word I have a really hard time saying. Paprika. Paprika is just grounded assorted chilies. It's not spicy or hot. It just gives it that really nice smoky flavor. Some garlic powder, onion powder. Oh, I can smell that garlic. I love garlic and onion powder together. And cayenne. Give it that little kick. I love a good spicy barbecue. It's gonna be really nice and sweet and spicy. One thing that's great about this barbecue sauce is pretty much all of the ingredients in this sauce you have in your pantry. So I'm just gonna bring this up to a simmer. I'm looking for the barbecue sauce to slightly reduce and thicken. And now I can put it on the leftover turkey, or you can put them on some ribs. That's just amazing and delicious. My dad would love this barbecue sauce. He's actually like the barbecue king in the family, and you can check out his recipe. My husband and his friends, they showed you guys how to make a delicious short rib. What is also great about this barbecue sauce is you can store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. So next up are my cranberry scones. You guys are gonna fall in love with this recipe. So in front of me, I have my dough, and this is my basic scone recipe. And if you wanna see that recipe, make sure you click on the description below. So I'm gonna use some leftover cranberry sauce and make something delicious and special. So I'm just gonna dollop the cranberry sauce into my bowl. So now I'm just gonna fold my dough. So you don't want to overwork this, but I want my dough to have every little piece of cranberry in it. So now I'm just gonna put my scone mixture onto this baking sheet. Voila, this looks amazing. So I'm just gonna push this down gently and form a 12-inch round. So now that this is all evened out, I'm gonna score my scone. So by scoring this, I can easily pull the scones apart after they're baked. So now I'm gonna put this in the oven at 425 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. So this is what it looks like straight out of the oven, and you can have it for breakfast, you can have it for dessert, and if you have even more cranberry sauce left over, you can add some on top. So there you have it, 3 ways on how you can transform your leftover cranberry sauce. Make sure you try them out and let me know how it turns out. And don't forget to subscribe to Tia Mowry's Quick Fix. I'll see you next week. Bye.